И мы протираем его через сито, чтобы он был помельче, понежнее.
I'm using strainer to make cottage cheese softer.
Almost done. You see how much is fluffy now cottage cheese? Nice. This is melted butter. We mix it together with cottage cheese. Mix. We need to sift around 6 tablespoons of flour together with baking powder. 6 spoons, guys. Straight, we are adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 6. Ready?
We add like this slowly flour. Now we can use already hands, we don't need spoon. More flour. This dough without eggs. And last part. We will need around 1 tablespoon flour to knead the dough.
Like this.
Now we just cut in the dough and make in triangle shapes. This is icing sugar. I will use strainer.
That's enough. Now I will take baking dish to put our croissants inside to prepare for oven. Like this round one, and we will need also baking paper.
Just like this, you see, it's so easy. I take sugar. What we are doing, it's last step before putting in oven. And I'm using also brown sugar, I like how it looks. You see guys, very simple and nice. Bake it 20 minutes in preheated oven. Smells so nice and looks so yummy. If you need to bake something very tasty and fast, you will like this recipe. And bon appetit!
Let's try this, guys. I prepared tea. So soft, guys. Guys, this is amazing. It just melted in mouth. Super fluffy, tender croissants. I love cottage cheese so much, guys, and bakery's cottage cheese, it's always so fluffy, so tender. Guys, this is nice. No comments. I would eat this whole plate, honestly.